Nabisin ka? Nabisin de suda. Ay nadebus mo. Ay nadebus mo. Pakita man rupam. Pakita man rupam, Charlie. Uncle Charlie. Apay nabisin ka kanam ta dut mo. Ay. Ay. Kasla nga daldali ni uncle mo. Ay. Sige, del patam. Nabisin ka, oh. Nabisin ka, oh. I'll be the prince, and you'll be the princess. Outside. What you gonna do? Go home. Go home now, and I will go and cook. Go home now, Charlie. Bye. Go na. Go home. Go home. Charlie, I said go home. Nagawin ka ng Uncle Charlie. Ni dahil napayag mo. Guri ka. Dahil napayag mo. Naukap. Dapat kasi tata na pintas. Damisa. Naiangin dahil napag mo. Pay ko na kung ilad ka dito'y bagik. Apay nga nag-ilad ka. Kung nakagawit ka. Uncle Charlie. Naapo, dito yung aso. Ay, naapo, dito yung aso. Charlie, you wanna go home? Come on, let's go. Let's go home. You go home and I will cook inside. Charlie, what are you doing? What are you smelling? What are you smelling? Oh my gosh, I'm confused with smell and smell. So, what are you smelling, huh? You'll be the prince. Oh, see, you're sleepy or yawning, huh? Sunbathing with Charlie under the windy sun. Sunbathing with Charlie. F. Taulo ka man. Agtaulo ka man, Charlie. F. Kaya naman de ulom no awan tila payak. Kaya naman de ulom no tapan. Charlie ang kagbabain. Don't be shy. Show me your face without your ears. I can't. Charlie. Okay, you need to go home. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Charlie. Go. Go home now. Go. Charlie, go. They're looking for you. You boss. Go now. Go, Charlie. Go. Charlie, go. Go downstairs. I need to cook. Go now. Go now. Go now, Charlie. Go. Now, why are you sitting? Go. Go there. Go there for now. Go. 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 Go na. Go na ha. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Charlie. Bye-bye na, Charlie. Ay, go na. Charlie. Go, come. Go first. Where are you? Go, come. Stay there, huh? Bye.